Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to get and insert emojis on your laptop or PC in Windows with your keyboard. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is super convenient to do as it means you can easily go and add them to an email, a document. It really doesn't matter. So to go and do this, it's super straightforward as well. So what you need to do is come onto your keyboard. What you need to do is go and hold down the Windows Start key and also the colon key together. So I'm going to go and do that now, just like. And as you can see, you go and get this pop up. So what you can then do is select the emoji option and you can go and see them and to go and use them. You literally need to go and click, and as you can see, we're now adding them into the Word document. It's that simple. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more. We really appreciate you watching this and look forward to catch you in the next one.